Alright guys, this is an instructional video for the roll racing. As you can see, the flags are set up. We're going to be going to the starting point, where you're going to be stopping right here. There'll be a person flagging you down. Afterwards, you roll up to 80 kilometers. And then right when you pass these flags, you punch it. You'll see down the track the CGR past the towers. You're not going to stop until you see the CGR flags. Once you pass the CGR flags, your run is done.
Hey boss, so first flag, is it a 60 roll?
Yeah.
Okay.
60, 80, like, yo, you're doing 60, 80 rolls. 60 rolls.
60 roll?
Yeah.
And then the second flag, you hit it?
Exactly. You hit it there.
Okay.
And then just make sure that you go wide, second lane, right?
Yeah.
The right lane, and then where there's gonna be girls at a cone there, just make sure you stop at that light, at that lane, because they're gonna flag you.
Okay.
Right here, like before the race, there's gonna be a set of cones and some girls there, and they're flagging you, right?
Okay.
So they're gonna tell you to go. So just wait for them.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Wait to be called, essentially.
All right.
Thank you. Against this one right here.
Oh, the Beamer Fest.
Uh-oh. We're in trouble.
That turbo, eh?
Has to be. All the top end power, man.
Yeah.
This guy hates his job.
I know. He's been here all day.
Still here, buddy. Still here.
Oh yeah.
Fuck, how bad. Thank you.
Let's see this. Oh, you did 12 seconds. No, 14.7, buddy.